ladies and gents, today is 6th of June and this is Scorsese. As you can see here, this is wifey mouse with Emre. We are going to this governmental insurance thing. What is it? Where are we going?
In Canada, we can get free health service.
No, where are we going?
So we
Deniz çocuk.
Allah.
Bunu çektik mi acaba? Where are we going? Yani question is simple
So
and easy.
we need the health cards and we're getting out to get our health cards.
No,
Apply
Deniz-
for a health card.
Okay, where are we going?
Canada, Toronto, Ontario Service Center.
Ontario Service Center to get our health cards. But just about a minute ago, we were about to kill our child. And that happens, you know, when the mommy is very busy in the head. Anyways, we had to fix this issue because after you get your permanent address, you're able to get that card. So we need to get that card as soon as possible. And walking in Eglinton, the weather is cloudy and it's not cold. Actually, I'm very warm right now with this jacket. And I hope it's also gonna be sunny sooner or later. We'll see. Buraya bir gülücük alalım.
Deniz, bankaya gidecektik. Buradan gidiyoruz. Buradan. Nereye? Sen niye böylesin bugün ya?
Niye öyle bakıyorsun? İnanamadın mı tarçın sevdiğine? Sana da vereceğim sütten şimdi, tamam mı?
Ya ne kadar rezalet bir vloggersın.
Okay guys, this Ontario service is actually not a Service Ontario, actually its name. It's not a governmental corporation. It's a company which gives services provided on behalf of the government of Ontario, right? On the state of Ontario.
I believe so, yes.
Yes, and that's why it's actually in a store. As you can see, This is a store called Canadian Tire. It's something like Bauhaus or something like IKEA. At the same time, a little bit Walmart, like everything, you know, everything in it. And right now, probably we're gonna be checking this place out a little bit to see what's in it. And as you can see, there are also tires. It's called Canadian Tire, but they're not selling just tires. They're also selling tires. As you can imagine, this is a snowy country. The tires are really important, so probably they're making lots of money out of selling tires. Plus, so it's like they sell a lot of tires and made a lot of money, so they thought that okay, let's go into this business. Yeah, it's probably it's a company like that. Actually, I'm gonna check out its history because I'm really curious about that kind of
and I'm kind
history.
I'm kind of bummed out because apparently all the documents need to be original, so we need to come back here with some other document which I was almost about to take as we left home, but I forgot at the last minute.
Yeah,
and
we should bring the original documents, so that's why we're gonna make another visit to any other service in Ontario. There are a lot of them. Actually, I don't want to come here again because there's a huge line here, baby.
Yeah.
Because it's inside Canadian Tire, I guess. Okay, right now it's a good time to find a coffee opportunity because little Emre Boo here also needs to be changed and nursed and all that jazz, right?
Yürüsene, yürü de yürü hadi.
Çekim için yürütüyorsun beni.
Aynen öyle. Hadi yürü. Ne bu? Çöp kutusu alalım. Şu kahve makinesi alalım Deniz. Ne o? O ne? Ama yani o hayvan gibi danoları gördüm, insan boyu kadar. Senden daha uzun boylu köpek gördüm. Deniz. Would you like to get some more jars?
Evet, bunlardan alsaymış.
Tell me again.
Keşke bunlardan alsaymış.
What?
I wish I bought these ones. These are very nice.
What?
They're very nice. Aa, bread şeyi bak. Are they comfortable?
Now guys, there's something about with these chairs here. This is something Canadian, I guess, because in every point of, like, you know, parks and, you know, different balconies and like patios, everywhere you see these designs. It looks very nice, it looks very comfortable. Is this comfortable?
Very.
Yeah, and Emre Boo here also think that it's comfortable. And yes, we should definitely get 2 of them in our balcony. Yeah, we will get that. But I mean, it's impossible to buy it from here and carry it to the house without a car, so probably we're gonna be order them to the house.
Ya kavanozları kutuların içine koyacağız Çınar'cığım.
Guys, we just like circle around the first floor, and there are a lot of things that you may need in your house. So we should definitely go into the e-commerce, right?
Yes. You don't want to carry them all into your house
Yeah,
if
it's
you don't have a car.
That's impossible to carry from here to there. I mean, these are the things that you don't put in a bag and just, like, you know, take it with you. So probably we're gonna be shopping also from Canadian Tire a lot. Right now it's time for a coffee, I guess, right?
Yes.
Yes, we should find a coffee shop and also to grab something to eat. Something dirty, something naughty again. Guys, we had our coffees and right now we're a little bit better. Well, wifey mouse here is sneezing. Are you alright, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sun is out and
So right now we're very close to the Bloor Street. Right now it's very crowded because it's like the rush hour is starting. And look what I found. Wifey mouse is here. So this building is the place where the Canadian ballet starts. Boris Volkov, that's a Russian ballet dancer, come to Canada in 1929 and started teaching ballet on ice in this building, in this very building. Check it out. Wife Maz, what are we doing here?
I just like this place so much, and some of the items are nicer than IKEA and cheaper. So
What is it called?
kitchen stuff, kitchen stuff plus. Pınar recommended me this place,
Yeah.
and I'm just looking around.
Yes. So it's like right next shop of Tim Hortons, and Deniz wants to go in this shop whenever she sees one. She doesn't buy anything. Actually, I don't let her to buy anything. The reason is, you know, I just find ridiculous when you are actually just making a new house. When you enter this kind of place, you can buy everything because everything is actually missing. That's true. But I guess we should be a little bit mindful with the budget we have.
That's true. So
Yeah.
I'm not buying it, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just looking around.
But that's a major argument point right now, nowadays actually, with my wifey mouse. She wants to buy everything and I am always stopping her to buy things. By the way guys, while Deniz checking up the stuff that she's not gonna be able to buy, I have a big problem. You know, I just made an update to my iPhone 8 Plus, and right now the battery is draining very fast, and it makes and it's getting warm like a toast machine. It's weird. I don't know why. I hope they're gonna fix it. I'm not gonna take it to an Apple store or whatever. I think that it's because of that new update. Do you have the same kind of problem? What are you doing, wifey mouse?
I'm still looking at spice jars and mason jars.
Yes.
I have a thing with jars, I have to admit.
Actually, you have a cheap kind of passion.
Yeah. I could have been looking at diamonds.
Yes. Jars are the woman's best friend. Lively. Guys, right now we arrived back to Mount Pleasant Road. Our house is just over there. By the way, we solved the mystery of that chairs we saw in the Canadian Tire store. It's called Adindo rack chair, Deniz says.
Yes.
And it's not
Okay.
designed by Canadians.
No. It's by some man in New York who just designed the chair, and some carpenter stole off the design and marketed it everywhere. But it's not like a cultural thing or anything. It's just a design and it's used outdoors, and apparently Americans and Canadians love it.
Yeah. But we also like it, and probably we're gonna get it whenever we are ready to do e-commerce shopping from Canadian Tire. Right now we are back home. I still have some IKEA projects, Leila's kitchen and little drawers, değil mi?
The fridge.
The fridge, hayır, seninki ne?
And the, yeah, and the
Drawers.
they're not drawers, they are storage units.
Yeah, storage,
Shelving unit.
yeah, shelving unit for Deniz. Plus, I am gonna try to understand what is going on with my iPhone because it's already dead. Yeah, the battery is just drained.
Yeah.
I hope it's not a big problem. We hope. We'll see. So Deniz, what have you done again, Mr.
I painted.
Shenanigans manager?
I painted the what's it called? The kitchen.
Why?
I painted the kitchen, the IKEA kitchen, the Duktik kitchen.
Why?
Because I wanted to be different and nice.
So it's the same kitchen that you can see everywhere. So that's why Deniz thought that it would be a nice idea if she is gonna paint with a rose, golden look spray, the whole kitchen appliances. It looks nice, but there's a problem here. As you can see, this princess, she doesn't want to collect her toys. As you can see, she likes the room like this, messy, and unfortunately there is no space for the kitchen, and that's why they decided to not to do the kitchen until this room gonna be a little bit organized. She can ask for help from anybody she likes, but before she manages this, you know, messy room.
Do anyone want to play?
What's that?
Anyone want to play?
Yeah, because there's no space, I'm not gonna be able to do the kitchen, because after we finish the kitchen we have to fit it somewhere, and we don't want to, parents like always cleaning up the mess behind their kids kind of thing. Actually, because her room is a little bit small than this room she had in Moda, she's like messing up that little room, and then she start to bring all the toys in the living room and start to mess up here. So that's why we kind of have a little argument about it. We collect all the toys back to her room right now. Right now our living room looks again a little bit normal. Yes, so that's why we are waiting to finish this big and nice project. We are waiting for Leyla to decide that she's gonna be, creating a little space. Okay. And this little fella learns how to sit still. Look at him. Yes. Guri guri. Guri guri.
O kadar yüksek sesle konuştu.
Özür dilerim Leyla'cığım, yüksek sesimi biraz yükselttiysem ama yüksek geldiyse. Ama beni dinlemiyordun ve bağırıyordun. Sen de bağırıyordun. O yüzden benim sesim yükselmiş olabilir belki birazcık.
Ağladım.
Ama alınacak hiçbir şey yok Leyla'cığım. Sana ben düzgünce defalarca kez söyledim. Burası çok dağınık, şurası çok dağınık. Ondan sonracığıma burayı topla, bilmem ne diye. Defalarca kez söyledim.
Çünkü baba bile düşüp ayağını kırıyorsa ben korkuyorum odada sana bir şey olacak, ayağını bir yere batacak.
Never, ever do I not have my mutfak forever and never.
You don't want your kitchen?
No, I'm asking you. Düşünürken bir anda dinozor
O
görüyorum.
zaman hayatın boyunca dinozor göreceksin Leyla'cığım, çünkü insanlar uyumak zorunda, yoksa yaşayamazlar. Uyumazlarsa ölürler insanlar. Su içmek gibi bir şey.
Su,
Çekme beni.
su, su,
Tamam vereceğim.
su.
Tamam vereceğim.
Nini,
Güzel istersen daha çabuk verebilirim belki.
Su istiyorum anneciğim.
Daha da güzel söyle.
Alabilir miyim?
Hayır.
Lütfen.
Lütfen.
Hello guys, it's like 11 p.m. and Miss Shenanigans manager is continue with her project with the kitchen of Leyla, and she demanded a little help from me, so I said that.
Demand, I kindly asked.
Yeah, she kindly asked.
Kindly asked.
Yes, she kindly asked, and I told her that I will help if and only if I can vlog it, and she said of course. So that's why I'm vlogging. So tell me what you're doing right now. So you made these?
Countertop. Yes, I made these.
Yes, you colored them all.
I painted the metal parts with this pink rose color, gold colored metal.
Yeah.
And I've also painted these sticking hooks, which are not actually part of the kitchen, but I'm gonna hang them on the side of the kitchen so we can hang her pots and pans
Okay.
and towels maybe.
So as far as I understand,
I
Leila's
have one more thing
kitchen
for the kitchen.
would look much luxurious than ours, I guess.
But now
A
we're
little
going
bit-
to do the countertop, which currently looks like this.
This is the countertop,
This
okay.
is the countertop part. This
Uh-huh.
is the bottom part. This is the top part. It's basically varnished birch veneer,
Uh-huh.
but we are going to make it look like it's marble.
Oh. But did you learn it from somewhere or?
Yes, I always look it up on Pinterest. I love IKEA hacks. Part of the reason why I love IKEA so much is it's very customizable if you're a little bit creative. And that's what I'm trying to do here, because the Doctor kitchen is actually very nice, but it's not very nice looking.
It really looks like marble.
Yes,
Yeah, it does. Where did you get these?
at the dollar store.
You got it
$1.
from $1, Dollarama.
Dollarama.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we are not gonna do this project
Today.
unless not today.
No. Unless Leila
Unless Leila decides to
tidy her room.
tidy her room, because she lived for like 6 months or so in grandma's house, and everybody was all over her because she's gonna move to another country, and she was like, you know, like a seriously, actually she was like a serious princess. Yes.
And she didn't realize she needs to tidy up after herself, and she needs to look after herself, even though she's 4 years old, and you know, she needs help with that, but we need to make it into a routine for her so she gets used to it.
Yeah,
Because I'm not going to be able to...
she takes right now everything so granted, you know, like she doesn't care. Yeah, I mean, her toys doesn't
Bring
really.
me my water, she says, like a princess, and like 4 people rush to her bringing her 4 different kind of cups of water. So that's not going to happen here, and that's part of the reason why we moved here. We want her to be able to look after herself, and obviously I don't have any help here, so I'm gonna look after 2 kids, and I'm hopefully gonna work in the future too, so she needs to learn to look after herself.
Okay, so what is the help you are asking?
This is a sticky vinyl tape, and I need to stick it correctly, so somebody needs to help me adjust it.
I'm just gonna adjust it.
Yeah, you're just gonna help me adjust it and stick it
Okay.
properly.
Okay, let's see. So, wifey mouse, are you happy with the project?
Yes.
Huh?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I'm not done. I need to cut the corners and put them inside as well.
Yeah.
But then I will be done.
No, seriously, it looks like a marble. Yeah, there's some little, you know, mistakes. Actually,
Here and there. But the
here-
good thing about the marble look is that the mistakes are not so visible.
yes.
So it's
That
not
part
smooth.
I actually accidentally tear it apart a little bit.
That's okay.
But with that,
She won't even see it.
yes, with that card, my beautiful wifey mouse fixing it. Voila!
Nasıl?
Yeah, there's a little thing here. Aa bak gelmiş biraz kenara.
Önemli yok.
This will come off.
Dur beraber yapalım mı? Yavaş. Çünkü bazen boya yapışıyor, boya da kalkıyor onunla beraber. Bir daha oturup onunla uğraşmak istemiyorum. IKEAWrappers.com Bir kült yani. Kült bir olay.
Wow. Yes, guys, I guess this kitchen is seriously much better than our kitchen. Look at
Şu
that.
boyanın yapayım ben.
Yes, I told you that. You know, my wifey mouse is really crazy DIY geek. So she does
It's
kind of
not
things.
perfect, but
Yeah.
it's okay. It's
By the way, let's link it below. What did you say? What was the website's name?
I didn't get it from a website. There's just many IKEA hackers
But-
out there.
There
I
are
might
tons
be
of.
wrong with the address.
There are
There's a lot of IKEA hacks, especially on Pinterest. Just look up the name of any IKEA item you want to hack, like Duktik the kitchen. So you say Duktik hack, and then you'll come up with numerous suggestions.
Yes, let's hack your IKEA. If you want to, hack your IKEA, do what Dennis told you to do. And yes, look at that, Seriously, that IKEA kitchen, toy kitchen,
Is now
looks,
empty.
yes, looks very simple and basic. But right now it looks like a proper kitchen. It's amazing.
Acayip olmuş Deniz.
Yeah. By the way, Serpil, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, we haven't seen you today's vlog that much. We are sorry about it.
Yani idare ediyoruz artık böyle yaptığınız zaman.
Yes, she had to babysit Layla today because we had to fix this insurance thing. Actually, we couldn't fix it, but still, thank for your help.
Ama biz çok mutluyduk bugünlerden.
Yeah, they were really happy. What did you do again? You went to the park. You went to
Yeah.
Sweet Jesus. Yeah, they went to Sweet Jesus to buy ice cream. By the way, Serpil's gonna not be around after just 7 days, right?
Yes.
Only 7 vlogs. You're gonna be able to see her afterwards. She's gonna be far away. Yeah. Ladies and gents, it's around 3 a.m. right now and I'm ready to go to bed. I didn't do any editing tonight because I was busy to start to manage all my social media accounts. I need to change all the payment options, where I live and things like that. Actually, as you remember, I had a little problem with my iPhone today. I think it was because there's a payment failure on G Suite and Google account, and Siri was always trying to connect with Gmail, my Gmail account, and because my Gmail account disabled due to payment failure, it was consuming a lot of battery. I guess that was the problem, because after I changed, yeah, this is Emre, baby Emre's crying in his sleep. Anyways, after I changed the payment options, the problem fixed, I guess, and then I go through all my company's account and all, and spend the, my precious working times with that. So I'm planning to wake up tomorrow as early as I can and finish the vlog in time. I know I'm gonna be able to manage it. Yes. Other hot point about today was, of course, Layla. We should definitely need to spend a little bit more time with her, because all this change and everything probably made her a little bit, anxious or something. So I guess, we already finished with moving in situation. So right now we need to spend time with her to, let her adapt herself to Canada, to her new house, to her new room, with the new rules that we apply as a family. That's the other thing. Yes, we should definitely do that. Deniz creates an amazing project with the kitchen we bought her from IKEA, and I'm sure Deniz will manage to, let her clean up her room, and probably tomorrow I'm gonna be busy to finish that kitchen and also finishing my vlog. The third interesting thing was that we went to this TD Bank and then the Service Ontario to fix some issues, but we couldn't, we spent like 4 hours outside, but we couldn't manage anything. Yes, we are in a new country, we are just, learning things, and this is being the reason sometimes we're spending a lot of time that we don't plan. That will happen, but I'm sure it's gonna be alright, it's gonna be in time. Probably tomorrow we're gonna be starting our governmental health insurance thing, whatever. because we didn't know which documents we need to prepare, and we got them. And tomorrow we're gonna try it again. So, time goes by and everything's getting in order. So I guess that's the only thing we need to do. Smile. Take a deep breath and continue.